Hello students, I hope you had already seen the previous video in which I had done the revision exercise part 2. So today we will continue the revision exercise. So today I am going to give you some multiple choice questions. Answer also written on the bracket. You can see at the same time you have to copy it and learn also. So one by one I will read. Paheli wants to present her friend a gift made of plant fiber. Which out of the following will she select? Three options are given. You can see on the screen: jute bag, woolen shawl, and silk sari. So it is made up of plant fiber. So which is the correct answer? A, jute bag. So answer is also given on the screen. You can copy the question as well as the answer. Which statement out of the following is incorrect? Three options I will read. In India, jute is mainly grown in Kerala and Punjab. Second option is to make fabric, fibers are first converted into yarns. Third one, Sufi Saint Kabir was a weaver. Out of these three statements, which is the wrong one? It is in India, jute is mainly grown in Kerala and Punjab. It is wrong. So, here answer is A. Third number, which of the following materials did people use in ancient times for making clothes? The three options are leaves of trees, metal foils, C, animal skins and furs. So you had already studied in ancient times stitching as well as the fabric was not invented. So people used to make clothes out of leaves and skin and fur. So correct answers are A and C. Next one, which of the following is not a natural fiber? The options are given: cotton, nylon and flax. Answer is B, nylon. Cotton and flax are natural fibers. So answer is B. Which set of the substances is not used for making fibers? Options are silk and chemicals, flask and wool, husk and bones. So the answer is C, husk and bones. Sixth number, Bojo went to a shop. There he found a fabric which was smooth to touch, had vibrant color and shine. The fabric could be. These three characteristics are of one particular type of fabric. So options are wool, silk and cotton. So right answer is B, silk. Which part of the jute plant is used for getting jute fiber? Options are given: A, leaf, B, fruit, C, stem. So jute is obtained from stem. So answer is C. Eighth number, yarn is woven to get fabric using. Options are looms, charkha and knitting needles. So answer is A, looms. Next number, Bera is a farmer. His field has black soil and climate is warm. Which fiber yielding plant should he grow in his field? So the options are jute, cotton and coconut. So black soil and climate is warm, very suitable for cotton. So answer is B, cotton. Next one, the correct sequence to get cloth is three options are given. From which one to which one we will prepare? First option, fiber to fabric, fabric to yarn. Second option, fiber to yarn, yarn to fabric. Third number, fabric to yarn, yarn to fiber. So in which order the cloth is preparing? So correct answer is fiber to yarn, yarn to fabric. Answer is B. 11th number, Bojo wants to make yarn from fiber at home. Which of the following will he use to carry out the task? So he wants to prepare fiber at home. So which method he can follow? Options are given: power loom, hand loom, and charka. Power loom and hand loom machineries are using. So simple method is charka. So answer is C. Now we will go to the next type of question. Today we will do 2-3 question answers also. So second type is very short question answers. First one, what is a yarn made up of? Answer is given. A yarn is made up of fibers. Second number, from which part of the plant cotton and jute are obtained? Cotton and jute are obtained from plants. So, from which part of these plants they are obtained? So, answer is written. Cotton is obtained from the fruits of the cotton plant, which is called cotton balls, and jute is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. So you have to write these answers in the notebook correctly. Third number, how do we obtain wool and silk? Wool and silk are animal fibers. So from where they do we get? Wool is getting from the fleece or hair of wool yielding animals such as sheep, goat, yak, camels, and rabbits. Silk fiber is drawn from the cocoon of silkworm. So today we are completing these many questions as well as some multiple choice question also given. You have to copy all these in your notebook and try to learn also. We will continue our revision exercise next day. Till then, take care and do your work.